In this video, we'll show you what to do if your customer is not receiving a password reset request. First, log in as an administrator. Then you can check the customer's report by heading to Reports, Customers, where the latest registrations will be shown first, or you can use the search functionality which can be found in the Manage menu to locate the relevant customer. Once you have located the customer, you can confirm with them that the correct email address has been registered, and it is that email address that is being used for the password reset request. Next, you can use the customer report to see if the customer has unsubscribed from mailing lists, or if they have complained, i.e. reported the sending email address as spam, or if the email has bounced. This means it is an invalid email address, or it is a non-existent mailbox. You can then select from the Manage menu for the relevant customer and choose if you wish to remove the customer for any or all of these lists, which will show as appropriate. A modal window will appear advising that the customer's email address should not be removed from the suppression list unless you have received a request from them to do so. Once the email address has been removed from the suppression lists, you can then opt to send the customer a reset password request, also located in this menu. If an incorrect email address has been entered, you can select View Customer to amend their details. Make any necessary changes to their email address, enter your current password, and then click on the Update Contact Details button. Also, from the Manage menu of the customer report, you can link directly to track the emails sent to the customer. The email tracker report will show you if the email was successfully delivered and if it was opened or not by the customer. And finally, located in the search functionality of the customer report, filters have been put in place that allow you to sort your report by email addresses on each of the suppression lists. And that's it. You now know what to do if your customer does not receive a password reset request. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.